It's time for another episode of the Verb of the Day with simple and easy Arabic.
Speak. Speak as an imperative masculine. احكي. احكي.
How do we conjugate the verb in the simple present?
أنا بحكي. أنت بتحكي. أنتي بتحكي. أنتو بتحكوا. نحنا منحكي. هو بيحكي. هي بتحكي. هنن بيحكوا.
Let's see how we conjugate the verb in the simple past.
أنا حكيت. أنت حكيت. أنتي حكيتي. أنتو حكيتوا. نحنا حكينا. هو حكى. هي حكت. هنن حكوا.
Let's put them in sentences. Speak to me from the earphone, not from the microphone. We mean by this, put the phone on your ear.
احكيني من السماعة مش من الميكروفون.
I don't have an excuse. I must speak Arabic.
ما عندي عذر. لازم احكي عربي.
Every day we're speaking together.
كل يوم عم نحكي مع بعض.
Become a Patreon to get access to much more study material. Check it out now. Did you enjoy this video? You can support us by liking and subscribing. Thanks!